Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher Ms. Amber Saleem. Today we are going to study the subject mathematics. Week 15, day Thursday, 10 September. Today our topic is maths and subtopic is solving word problems. Page number 138. After learning this topic, we will be able to measure and estimate the masses of small objects in terms of grams and kilograms. Solve word problems involving masses given in the same units. Page number 138. There are 4 steps of solving word problems. First step is understand the problem. Second step is translate the problem in your own words. Third step is carry out the plan, and fourth step is check your answer. So students must keep in mind these 4 steps while solving word problems. In this problem, the mass of the jar of jelly beans is shown on the scale. The mass of the empty jar is 500 gram. How can we find the mass of the jelly beans? 500 shows the mass of the empty jar and 1400 gram derived from this scale. And how can we gain the mass of the jelly beans? When we subtract 500 from 1400, then we gain the mass of the jelly beans. So 900 grams is the mass of the jelly beans. In the second problem, Mrs. Lee bought a chicken and 3 similar bags of rice. The mass of the chicken was 13 gram and the mass of each bag of rice was 2 kilogram. In A part, what was the total mass of the bags of rice? In B part, what was the total mass of the chicken and the bags of rice? Give your answer in kilograms and grams. So first of all, solve the first part A. We have to find the total mass of the bags of rice. The mass of one bag is 2 kg and we have 3 bags. So we multiply 2 kg 3 times. 2 kg multiplied by 3 equals to 6 kg. The mass of the bags of the rice was 6 kg. In the B part, we have to find the total mass of the chicken and the bags of rice. The mass of the chicken is 1300 gram and 6 kg equals to 6000 grams. Very good. So we add up both of these values, 1300 gram plus 6000 grams. Answer is 7300 grams. And now convert in kilograms and grams. 7000, we write 7 in kilogram and we write 300 in grams. The total mass of the chicken and the bags of the rice was 7 kg 300 grams. In the next problem, the mass of 3 muffins and 4 donuts is 580 gram. The mass of the 3 muffins is 180 gram. The mass of each donut is the same. So what is the mass of each donut? What do we have to find first? 580 represents the total mass and 180 represents the mass of muffins. So first of all, we have to find the mass of donuts. So we subtract 180 gram from 580 gram. Then we obtain the mass of 4 donuts, that is 400 gram. And now we have to find the mass of single donut. We divide 400 by 4 equals to 100 gram. The mass of each donut is 100 grams. Your follow-up work is page number 141 from textbook. Solve all the questions of this page on your notebook. Thank you very much.